Hello guys, so in this video I will tell you that what does my AI do on Snapchat. So Snapchat has recently launched a new AI feature on Snapchat, which is called My AI. So this My AI is based on Chat GPT. So what it do, you can actually chat with it. This is an artificial intelligence AI bot. So how you can actually get this? So first of all, you need to open up your Google Play Store or your Apple App Store, and you have to make sure that your Snapchat application is up to date. Okay, so right now here it says open, and if here it says update, you should update your Snapchat application. And after this we will open up the Snapchat application from here. And now the unfortunate thing here is this AI, my AI bot option is not available in Snapchat free version. It is available in Snapchat plus version, in this version. So now what is Snapchat plus? Snapchat plus is a paid version of Snapchat, which have like more cool options here. So if you tap on this one, so right now here it says that subscribing is currently not available. So maybe in your country where you live, here it says that subscribing is available and you should see their plan. Okay, so you have to basically subscribe, or you have to like purchase this Snapchat plus in order to get the My AI bot on your Snapchat. But I don't recommend this because Chat GPT is also free. So you, whenever you need something, you can go to the chatgpt.com website and you can actually ask from there. But if you wanted to use that technology in Snapchat, then you have to like purchase the Snapchat plus. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.